pretty cool. Alright, ISO. Adjust. Keep dodging them, bro. Keep dodging. Or you can just take some Viagra and you'll be fine. It smells like salt water now. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I almost forgot to make an intro today. So today we're here in Sunset Volcano Park. You can see the bros over there. They're not actually brothers, but they're bros. You know what I'm saying?
You just found out we're not brothers?
Yeah, I thought they were actually related, but they're not.
Oh, watch out, the internet's gonna get you, man.
Anyways, we got some places to visit today. Join us and we will show you around this great park.
You wanna show them?
No. I actually, before I did this intro, got a shot of them walking towards that volcano over there. You know what I'm saying? These guys. Anyways, let's go. I like this Flagstaff area. It's pretty. I feel like I could live here. Obviously not in the national park. I mean, maybe I could. I could be a squatter in the national park. It'd be pretty cool, pretty tight. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I'm just making conversation.
It's only been less than 1,000 years since that thing exploded.
That's right. It could explode at any moment. Alright guys, so I think behind me, I'm like 90% sure that's a shield volcano. Then again, I'm trying to recall this from, elementary school. Utilize that wide angle for the lava flow. Guess what, guys? That is Sunset Crater.
Still not confirmed, because we haven't stepped on it.
That's true.
And looked at the crater.
We got to go up there, jump into the caldera. So if you guys saw in the earlier clip where I took the picture of the flower and you could see the mountain, or where you could see Joel and Chris walking, that's San Francisco Peaks with an altitude of 12,633. And Sunset Peak, let me walk around the tree real quick so you can see it again, is 8,063 or something like that. You're not allowed to walk up that one. It's because of the trolls. Gotta watch out for those trolls. Gonna try something a little different, guys. I figured I'd do video instead of pictures. Alright, ISO, adjust. So that was a lava tube, and it collapsed once it cooled down. Pretty much, is what that says. I gotta tell you guys, walking at this altitude, 8,000 or 7,000 feet, while mostly living at sea level, makes you winded real quick. Just brisk walking, talking, all that stuff. I got a slight headache in the background. That's one thing to keep in mind. If you have any respiratory issues or you've never been this high up before, I would definitely keep that as a consideration. That's pretty cool. I really like Native American art. Looks tight. Stinking rad. What does it say, Joel?
People were assholes and they freaking drove up it with their freaking off-roading, and now it's scarred forever.
Really?
Yeah. You can still see it. See? You look up that mountain right there. You can see.
Oh,
tracks.
yeah. Let me zoom in.
And even that closer mountain right there. People are dicks.
Don't be a dick. Don't drive up the mountains. Again, that was rad. Look at those planes. It's pretty rad.
Are you videoing? Or
yeah, I'm videoing
okay.
it. I'm videoing
so why do I have to hold it out?
Did you just leave your hand out? Block the video. There we go.
Block the video. Okay. Video it good.
Yeah, it actually looks pretty cool. I just had a raindrop. Oh, land on my hand.
Just dodge them.
Keep dodging them, bro. Keep dodging them. All that ninja training's paid off. Hey, how you doing? You're a beautiful bird. That's pretty cool. There goes the raven. I believe it's pronounced Wupatki. Could be wrong. Anyways, it's pretty cool. It's really cool seeing that raven up there. It's a shame that it's continuing to rain. But you know, for the views, for you guys, for me. See you in the next. I don't know where we're going next, but you'll see me. Anyways, moving on. I don't think these rails were here. So were they just burning the grass, or was it just the cattle?
Cattle's chips that shit.
It's a beautiful area.
It's so different, just near the
30 minutes away.
Yeah.
It's a totally different landscape. Alright dudes, we're at the next campsite. It's beautiful. It's getting dark. I only have like 18% battery life. So I don't get to shoot too much more, but hopefully you liked the video that you saw today. Running low on sleep. Like, share, subscribe, let me know what you guys think. If there's any, hang on a second, hang on. There we go.
Press like, subscribe, and press the notification. You can see us all the time.
Yeah, do all that stuff. That'd be legit. Anyways, look at these flowers real quick before I end this here. Aren't they pretty? Alright, until the next video, which is tomorrow. Good night.